Hmm. Okay, now see. Now we have one of the most important topic of Java, and Java is very famous for this collection framework. Really, very good and beautiful thing. Like you can do anything using collection. Anything you can do using collection. Okay. Collection is saying just use me and I will give you any kind of thing. Sorting, searching, anything. You can manipulate your data. Okay. Now what is collection? So basically, let me tell you the roadmap. Although you will have roadmap also. Let me see. Yeah, this is the roadmap. Okay. Basically, we have a super parrot, which is your iterable, which is an interface. Okay. Then we have a collection. Very like many people get confused between collection and collections. S. Okay. Collections is your class. Collection is an interface. Okay. And this is the interface. And basically, collection have three sub interfaces, which are your list, queue, and set. And every of them have a unique task, unique ability. Okay. So first of all, we will do list. Okay. Now, what is list? So list. Now, if I will say, let me tell you why collection list is here. Why we have list. So basically, if I'm saying, sir, I have to store five people name, children name. So what you will do? Where to store? Tell me. What are the options? Where can I store?
We need to use array list.
Array list we can.
No. Till now, what we have studied in that I'm saying
String. Array strings.
array. So say array is a good choice. Sir. We can have an array.
Yeah.
So I'll say okay. We can store in array. 3, 4, 5, like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will say A, C, D, F, G. This is the name. So now I'm saying, yeah, okay, you have stored the number. Now new student is coming, which is Z. I'm saying Z is coming, so you have to put the name. Now, but array is a limited size. If you will say Z over here, it will give you array out of bound. Array out of bound. So you'll say, sir, what to do? I'll say, you have to store it. It's important. So you will say, okay, sir, we have only one choice. What we can do? We can use our array again. We'll create one more size of array. So I'll say, okay, use it. So you will create a 6 size of array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you will say A, C, D, F, G, Z. Okay. Now this is also good. Okay. Now another person is coming, like X. So you have to create again an array. So this is not a good choice. Like it's a static. We are in a problem. So what you will say, okay, yaar, I'm fed up of it. I don't want to do this. So you'll say, okay, do I have anything? So I'll say, yes, you have a collection framework, which is dynamic. Which is dynamic means no need to worry about size. Okay, it's unlimited. You can add the value as many as you want. So you can say A, C, G, F, anything. It will come in your list. Okay, but list is an interface. You cannot use it. It's an interface. Interface. You cannot create an object of interface. So we have basically three types, three subclasses of list. Okay, array list, linked list, stack, and in stack we have vector. Okay, this list, array list, linked list, stack, and in stack I'm having vector. Okay. Okay, we have vector. So this is a map. So this is a roadmap. Okay, now first of all we will learn about array list. Now see. So if you want to add anything in array list, you will say array list, give the type. Okay, now you have to give the type over here. First of all, you have to import it. It's having in java.util. Okay, so import it. Now you have to give the type of the array list, which type of elements you want to store in an array list. So let's say I'm saying integer type. Something integer type. Okay, now you have make the list of integer type. Now what you have to do, you have to store it. Okay, so what you will say, you will say list dot add. We have an add method for adding anything in a array list. So I'm saying 10. List dot add 13. List dot add. Add. Okay. Now this is how you add it. Now print. Now what will be the output? Tell me.
Ten, comma, 154,
54.
55.
54, 10, 130, 54, 55. Hash code.
Sorry.
And added to list.
No. Hash code will be printed or not? I'm printing the object.
Yes.
No. Okay. This is the point. Hash code will not be printed because in array list we already have overridden that toString method. Okay. In this we are having toString method in which I am saying I'm adding it. I have to find control F. Okay, in this I'm already overriding that method, and which will like toString method in which I'm printing the list. Okay, so I'm not calling that toString object class toString. Okay, so if you'll print it, it will print 10, 134, 54, 55. So this is your array list. Okay, now we have lot of methods in array list. Okay, a lot means like you can manipulate your whole data. Dot add. Okay, now if you want to add a particular index, suppose I'm saying that I want to add some value like uh, uh, 77 in between 134 and 54. So I can do that also. How? Index is 0, 1. So I want to add an index 0, 1, or 2. Okay, 1 and 2, in between 1 and 2. So the second index will be that. So I will say 77. So he will add that 77 at second index. So if you will run this, you see now 77 data second index. Getting it? So you can also add a particular index if you want. Now let's see another method. So we have lot of methods. This dot. So add all. Suppose you want to add all the collection. Now you have two array lists. This is also on one list, and we have another list also. We have array list in figure type.
So Rajesh, this array list is the same like Java predefined class, like string.
Yeah, it's a predefined class. Array list is a predefined class.
We can directly create object.
Hmm. See, we are using new keyword now. If you are using new keyword, it's
Yes.
a predefined class.
Yes.
Okay, now if you want to add this whole array list in list, you can add that also. Add, and you can use all. Okay, and you can pass the collection. Okay, that list 0 I want to add. So it will add all the element of this, and then we will add all the element of.
Are we making new list here, list 0 or?
Yeah, we are creating new. No? See, list 0, new
Okay.
array list.
Everything is added to
Hmm?
nothing.
Okay. So
In real time scenarios, this array list must be used,
a
right?
lot,
Because
a lot.
we can
This will be
add and
most
remove
important, I
instead of
think.
add. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. So
Yeah.
now if you want to add this list at particular index, like I want to add a 10 and 134 in between this. So I'll say at first index add this. So you can add this at a first index also.
So can we do the same thing with the different data types, not with the same integer and integer?
Yeah. If a string, you can pass string, you can pass array, you can pass anything. Either you can also pass your class also. I will tell you class level also. Okay. This
So
also.
yeah, Rajesh, if we are in the last one, right, list dot add all, when you have given that, uh, sorry, you have given the where I need to add the new value, right, the list 0 after first index. So now the value, new value, what I wanted to add, it will be in the list 0 after one index, right? The second place it will come, whatever the value I want to update.
Hmm.
So
No,
you
like
haven't given any new value there. So how it would be mentioned? Like I just wanted to understand the
Mhm.
command list dot add all. One is the index, list 0 is the first array where I need a value to be changed.
okay, you are
So
saying
where is
that
the
you have to insert a new value at index
new
0.
value? Exactly. Exactly. In the list 0.
Yeah, you can add it. See, add and write index 0 and something new value. So it will be added. Now you will have
Hmm.
65, 10, and then your list, and then 134, 54, 55. See?
So basically both the array lists are getting added up, like both the values in
No,
list
no, no.
0 and
You are
are
adding in a list. List, if you will print list 0, it will only print 76, 8, and 234. In list, you are adding all the other values 10, 134, 54, 55, and then you are adding add all collection, this collection. Okay.
that is my question was like if I want to add a new value, think that it is 91, I want to put that 91 value in list 0. Okay.
Hmm.
So now when I type a command like here, like list dot add,
Where? After this or before this? Where?
yeah, after this list,
After this, no?
list,
So it will
yes,
not be added in a list.
list
It
add
will
all,
add
list
all.
dot add all,
Mhm.
no, or like if I give index value 3 and
Mhm.
in list 0 I want to print it and the value is 91, how will I do it?
91. This you are saying.
Yes, but
It's
I
not a
want that
collection, no?
91 to be
It's not a
okay.
collection. In add all, you will add collection only. If you want to add a
Okay.
single number, you will say only add.
Okay, so
Now
91,
it will
now
be
index
added
is,
in list 0. It will not be added in list.
oh, okay, now I got it, thank you.
If you
Yeah.
will put this before this, then it will be added.
Okay, now I get it, thank you. So I need to mention it earlier only, like list 0 dot add, then it
Because then
is
only you are
going
saying
in.
add all.
Yes,
When you are
yes,
adding all.
okay, thank you.
So,
In
see,
add
we
all,
have
Rajesh, list dot add all 1 comma list 0 means in list 0 we are appending all the values from list 1, or sorry, in list 1 we are adding all the values from list 0
Hmm?
and we are making as one list. What will be the output of this one? List dot add all 1 comma list 0.
See, what you are doing, you are creating two lists, list 0 and list. In list 0, you are having 76, 8, 234. Then you are creating a new list in which you are having 10, 134, 54, 55. But you are saying at 0th index, I need 77. So at 0, 1. In between this, you will have 74. Now you're saying at third index, I need 91, which list 0 dot add. So in list 0, we will have that third index, we will have 91. 0, 1, 2. Now over here, we will have 91. Okay.
Yes.
so we are doing array list, integer list, zeros is equals to that, right? We are passing integer over here, but there are some questions sometimes people ask, like I want to add integer, I want to I add boolean, I want to add string. have to create each time new string, or we can each time new array list, or we can add in this only?
You can add in this.
Sorry?
You can add in. You need to create a new array list.
No, I'm
Mm.
saying you have given over here the integer, right? So if I want to add in the list 0 dot add string, can I
See,
do that in the integer one?
let me
Or
explain.
I have to?
Actually, I'm not listening right now because I have to explain this. Okay, my mind is over here. Just give me 1 minute. Let me
Okay.
explain this, and then you can. We can continue.
Yeah, okay, it's okay.
76. Okay, over here we are adding 76. Then we are saying 8. Then we are saying 234. Done. Now I'm creating new. Just one list.
Still on the Eclipse. You are not on the.
Like this. Okay, we are going line by line. First,
Yeah.
list 0, pointing to list. 76 added, 8 added, this added. Now you are saying list, pointing to this. In this, what you are saying? You are saying 10, 134, 55, 54, 55, and then you are saying second index 77. So 0, 1, 2. Over here you will have 77. Now you're saying at third index 91. 0. Okay, it's 0. It's talking about list 0. So it will come over here. You'll say 0, 1, 2 at 6. Over here you will have 91. Now I'm saying list dot add all. So over here you are adding a collection at first index. So over here you will have one more thing. You will have some numbers, and which are that numbers? These 4 will be the numbers. So the new array list which you will have 10, 76, 8, 2, 34, 91, 134, 77, 54, 55. Okay, now you're saying list dot add at 0 to index 64. So over here 64 slash. So these are the numbers you will have. Now you print list or list 0. It's up to you.
So in the output, the sequence will be, it will take 0th index of list, then list 0, then first index of both, then second index of both. It will show in that sequence. Right?
But you are printing right now. You are only printing list. So it will print this list, whole list like this.
No, not about this list dot add all. The sequence I'm saying 1 comma list 0. In that we are printing like 10 comma 76 134 comma 8, right?
This.
So or randomly we can just print all the values from list and list 0.
No, what you I'm not getting it. Like what you want to do. You want to print it in a for loop?
No. I am asking what will be the output of this list dot add all 1 comma list 0. What we are
It
trying
will
to
not
do
give
is
you
add
any
all.
output. It will not give you any output. Just it will add in that list. But it will add that list which you are adding. If you are using list 0, it will add list 0 at this index. And in which list it will add? In list it will add.
Okay. In list, it will add at one index all the values from list 0. Okay, got it. That what the sense is. That one list we are adding in another list. Okay, and at particular index. Got it.
Yes. Okay. So
So now can I say?
yeah, now you can see.
So I was saying array list integer. So this integer is the data type, right? So sometimes we just don't have to add just integer. Sometimes there are name, there are integer value, there are Boolean values. So do we have to create a new array every time for a new data type, or we can do it in one data type only? Is there any way?
Okay. So if you want to add everything, you can
Yeah,
create object type.
object type that will
But it's
have
not
everything
safe.
in it.
Yeah, it will not be safe, but it's not the
Oh,
proper practice. You can add anything.
yeah.
Okay, you can add anything. Plus,
That
over
is not
here
a
we
good
are having one
practice.
more thing which is called question mark. Okay,
Okay.
it will also add everything, but it's not now I think it's not the proper way. Okay, like this you can add, but no need to do this. You can only write object over here. That's fine. Okay, but this is not a good practice. Okay, if you are
You should
if
not
you want
practice
to
this.
use for, yeah, you should not do proper data type. You should mention. Okay,
Okay.
although it can be any data type. It can be a
Uh-huh.
predefined class. It can be a user-defined class. It's up to you. Okay, we will continue. I will tell you user-defined class tomorrow. We'll continue this tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, guys, we'll continue this. Okay, ArrayList. I think I've given you the small introduction. Try to practice, try to read out, and then we will do it. Okay, and try to read the string. String is important. Okay, you should know at least a basic thing. If you have
Thank
any
you.
kind of doubt, then you can ask.
Can you share recording as well, Rajat?
Yes, today I will share. I think this is only the recording which is left. All the recording I have already
No,
uploaded.
yesterday, I think.
Yesterday, I think I have uploaded. Please check. And then let me
No,
know.
yesterday one's is upload. Only this is left. Yesterday is
Okay.
uploaded.
Because I
Yeah.
delete all the recordings once I upload. That's why I'm supposed to. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Bye. Have a good day and please practice.